Alrighty folks, back to the C10. Now it's time for the exhaust. What we have here, remember the truck has everything for the LS swap. Everything is from HOLLEY. So it also has the HOLLEY BLACKHEART full exhaust kit. This is it right here. Some of it's been looked at, some of it hasn't. A lot of it's still in the box. This is the part number 70501414-RHKR 73 to 87 C10 truck exhaust. This is the full kit from the headers back. Now on the back, you can get them to go straight out the back, or you can get them to come out the side. These ones come out the side. These are similar to MagnaFlows. Probably the perforated centers are different. Where's the sun? There you go. It's pretty much a straight through. Goes in from the left, goes to the center. I'm going to pull all this out and then just kind of lay it on the ground. And then I'm going to show you something really negative about it, but it's only preference. So obviously I don't know how it fits because it's not installed. When the box was shipped, it was pretty beat up, so anybody that orders from HOLLEY already knows that they don't pack their stuff well. So this is going to take a minute because I'm doing everything with one hand. So this is going to come with your full directions. Yeah, it's got all your directions. And obviously, it's got every bit of your pieces. This is all a slip fit. There should be no welding involved. I'm missing this pipe right here. Give me a second, and then let me find it, and then I'm gonna try to just piece all this together so you can see what it looks like, and then I'll show you the negative part of this. Alright, so here's the exhaust completely put together. This is the one with the side exits. So they advertise it's 409 stainless exhaust, not aluminized. But this is the bad part. The one I ordered had an X pipe. This is really disappointing because everything on the advertisements show an X pipe. This is clearly not an X pipe. This thing's gonna sound stupid, it's gonna sound loud, it's gonna sound like an old style truck. Find some sun. Oh, I know how to do this. Let me get a light inside it. Look at that tiny little hole. Literally, tiny little hole. I mean, some people probably don't care about that. But I know it's gonna sound like a truck or like a race car, or it's just gonna sound so 70s and 80s, and that's, you don't get that horrible sound and drone and everything else with a real X pipe. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call them tomorrow and see what they tell me. And they're usually pretty good about stuff like that, but we'll see what they say. But just in case they give me any problems whatsoever, I got this V-band clamps from Summit, 69 42 50, 2.5 inch. I've already tried them. They fit. They fit right on the edge. There's a groove on the inside right there. I might as well show you. So this is half the V-band. But I don't know, yeah, you can see the ridge right there. Basically, it's just gonna sit right on the edge of that, and you weld it all the way around. So the purpose for this is, if they're not gonna let me return it and get the one that they advertised with the same part number, I have a long enough deburr kit to where I'll have to cut this approximately, say, here, so that I'll still be able to weld it. Cut both pipes so I can get a deburr tip in there on a die grinder. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld all of this up to where it's almost flush all the way around, and I'm gonna open it up completely to where it would be an actual X pipe, and the flow would actually go through there. I know a lot of you are thinking, oh, that's the stupidest thing ever, or what have you. Well, that's alright, but you guys got to remember, I didn't order this. It's not what I wanted. Some people like this, some people don't. I'm on that side that I don't. So it's just a preference thing, but I already thought ahead on the V-band clamps. And the only way to fix that and open it up is to build all that material, grind it out, cut it, put the V-band clamps on, and be done with it. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Other than that, it's a pretty cool kit. It looks like I put their exhaust on other vehicles, their full kit exhaust, and I've never had a problem. They always fit perfect. It's just aggravating to know that I ordered a specific model and I got a totally different one, but things happen. It's all right. I ain't tripping. So here we go. The next part will be me installing it on the truck. And it's gonna go by super easy, super quick. You don't need any special tools or anything. That was the whole purpose of how they build their kits, which is why I always recommend them. Even though this happened to me, I've had so many issues happen with HOLLEY that they always fixed them. so I ain't even tripping about it. But all right, stay tuned.